Ooh, with the brows and like no other makeup on right now, I feel like I'm serving a Brooke Shields look. I mean, a girl can only wish, but yes. Hi guys. Ooh, what was that? Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys. Hi, I'm so happy to be here with y'all, mostly because I got a new package and I wanted to unbox it, but obviously I can't unbox without you. Today we are going to be unboxing a shipment from Tarte. I purchased this. I wish I was sponsored or on the PR list, but I actually have been in need and searching for the product that is in here. When I tell you, I was so sad that they discontinued my favorite foundation powder of all time from Tarte. They discontinued it and it's been like off the market for I think like the last 2 years, and I was devastated. If you've been following along on my makeup journey, you might know that I in fact bought one off of Amazon, knowing very well that it was probably a fake because it didn't come from like the Tarte site. It came from just some random site. And so I've probably been using a product full of disgusting stuff for the last 2 years. So I was happy to find out that they have a new line of makeup happening over on Tarte.com. And when I went on there, I was elated, as if Christmas arrived early, that they got in an updated version of this Amazon clay powder. So let's take a look at that. But also I got suckered in and bought an eyeshadow palette because I have been on the hunt for an eyeshadow to replace my favorite Bare Minerals eyeshadow that they no longer make. There's something about the stuff I love getting discontinued. I don't know what that says about me, but it ain't good. I know you guys love when I hold up scissors. Okay. Gotta say, this came pretty fast. They were definitely having sales on their website. I looked on Sephora and I looked on Ulta, and neither of them, at least online, carried this new Amazonian clay powder, but I'm sure that it'll hit those stores soon. Because you know, if they had, I would have gone and picked it up like right away. Cute packaging, love that. Sorry about this lighting. I realize now, in theory, maybe this isn't the best place to be showing makeup off. But I will put this on and show you how it looks in a different light. I mean, how's that for my aesthetic? I thought their pricing was pretty reasonable. Hopefully it's in here. If not, I'll leave links to everything below so you can check it out yourself. But the reason I got the eyeshadow palette was because it wasn't that expensive. So here is my free gift with purchase. I had a choice of 2 items and I didn't pick this one. This is a 12-hour power, 12-hour hydration tinted hydrator. Well, that's cool. And then they give you like 3 different shades to try. Oh, heaven, I'm in heaven. When I tell you, oh my God, seriously, I'm not joking, this is better than Christmas. So I got the same exact color that I used in the other one, and I'm hoping that it translates just the same. I couldn't get a straight answer on that. I tried to like chat with chat support, but it was taking like too long. So I just went for the color light neutral. They seem to have a pretty good spectrum of shades. I'm no expert, but there were a lot to pick from. Here is what it looks like. This is way prettier than the original packaging. The original packaging had like a brown top, kind of a more like rustic or like rain foresty type feel, but this is beautiful. Here she is, please be the right shade. Ooh, they give you a little puff. Never got the puff before, or I just never used the puff, I don't know. I use a round like powder brush to really get it on there. Oh, please work. Oh. You are so beautiful to me. This reminds me of like the Bare Minerals one. That's kind of how I started on this like foundation powder journey way back in the day when Bare Minerals was like hopping. And then recently I revisited a Bare Minerals powder and I just couldn't get the color right. So I kind of gave up on that. But this is the same idea in terms of like coverage and feel. So ooh, too much. Can't waste this precious gold. So here is how she looks. And just at a first glance on my hand, it blends perfectly. You are so beautiful to me. I mean, wow, I am oily today. I will use this in a bit. I'll do a full face of makeup because I have a meeting, so perfect timing on this. I'm just gonna take a risk and go ahead and use it. I don't use that much of this, so what I usually do is I'll use a little bit of concealer just on problem spots. I don't like to go heavy on concealer, especially as I'm getting older. I actually notice if I put on too much, it gets cakey, and like, it's ironic. I feel like as I get older, you would think that I should put on more makeup, but I actually find the less I wear, the younger I look. So I'm really careful about putting too much on, which is why I like a powder like this. So I will usually use a concealer. I was using the Tarte concealer that matched my old powder, so I do think, in fact, they came out with a new concealer as well. I know this for a fact, actually, because my mom purchased it, which is why I knew they came out with a new line. Anyways, I'll probably go and revisit that, but right now I do have a Bare Minerals one that works perfectly and the color shade matches great. So I'll do that, and then I'll basically just dust this over. If I want really heavy coverage, I'll like really put it in there, but most of the time I just kind of do a pretty light one. So I can't wait to try this. And here I just took a risk because I'm just really dying to mimic this True Gold from Bare Essentials that I can't seem to find. It's like sold out on their website, it's not in stores. And I just haven't been able to find an eyeshadow that I'm obsessed with that I can wear every day that is like one swoop and we go kind of thing. I don't wear a lot, but I want a little. So this is the Baby Bloom Tarte palette, and I guess the reason why it wasn't so expensive is because it's super small, which I'm a-okay with. Ooh, cute. Love this. This is actually a very nice like travel palette too. I'll go ahead and try to swatch for you. These are the two colors I was the most excited for in my hunt for a gold. So this first one is Lily. Super light, but I love it. Hard to see. Let me do a bunch together. And next one I'm gonna try is Marigold. Oh yeah, that's more of like a gold. You know what? I'm just gonna take you on down. Here we go. This is the first I swatched, which is Lily. Here's Marigold. I like the combo of those a lot. I would probably do this all around and this in the crease. If you want to get really crazy, we got Dahlia. She's kind of more of a flat brown. I like the way that these go on. This is Azalea. That's pretty. It's similar to this, but it's got a like rose gold to it. Camellia is kind of the flat version of that. And then Gardenia. Ooh, for reference. You guys, who is she right now? Beauty guru? You know what, just even from swatching, I don't know if you guys saw, but I did a Glossier haul like this where I had ordered a palette from them. And of course, obsessed with the eyebrows. But later on, I did a video talking about products I regret buying. And that was definitely one of them, the palette. Even just in a swatch, you couldn't see it so distinctly like this. It just wouldn't come out no matter what brush or finger, like no matter what I did, it's like the color and pigment just never did anything. So I'm super, super into this. And actually I thought I was only gonna be going for the golds, but I'm kind of digging these like rose gold colors as well. And I think both are gonna be super flattering on my coloring and kind of for my style. So there you go. So far, just like at a first unboxing, super exciting. I'm gonna go ahead and just do my makeup as I would for a meeting that I have. And before I hop into the meeting, I'm gonna show you what I ended up doing. Okay, I couldn't wait until I did my whole makeup to show you, but look at this. Look at my eyeshadow. I love it, I love it, I love it. It's exactly what I want. You're probably like, that's not very much, but like it actually is exactly what I was sort of going for. I used the lighter gold, and then in the creases I did a little bit of the deeper gold. In theory I could go even heavier, I can go stronger, but it really does give me what I was looking for, and I'm giving you all the different versions of lights. Ooh, girl, that camera work. The powder itself is fantastic. It blends, it doesn't even look like I'm wearing makeup, and that's exactly what I wanted. So I'll probably put a little bit more just to cover some imperfections, but heck yeah. Boom. What a difference a makeup makes, huh? I am obsessed. Again, a very like neutral, natural look, nothing crazy, but it's exactly what I'm looking for in terms of eyeshadow. And now with the powder, it's just like, I'm back, baby, I'm back. And according to this box, if I sign up online, I can get deals and discounts. Who needs to be an influencer when you could just be a huge mega fan and spend a lot of money and once in a while get something for free? Yeah! I'm elated and certainly excited to try out some of the other shades, but so far so good, and I give these products 2 thumbs up. Absolutely go at it, get it done. If you need any of these products, or if you just want to check out their new line, I'll leave the links below. Tarte, hit me up. I love you so very much. But regardless, even if you never know that I exist, I will continue to love and support you and keep you on my face for as long as possible. Oh, and just so you guys know, I'm going to be taking off Fridays for a bit and just seeing how 4 videos a week work out. So if you missed any of my videos, I put them up Monday through Thursday now, and I will be back next week for another full week of who knows what. But I'll be wearing this makeup, absolutely. All right, see you guys then. Bye.